Lazarus after feeding and feeding and feeding. I think he's already overfed, but he still wants Dede. That's Lazarus being overfed. He refuses to sleep. Nunot-nut na naman ng kamay. He loves sucking on his hands. I thought you were gonna sleep na. Not yet? Okay. Bababain lang natin milk mo, ha? Milk na dinede mo. Dami mong dinede, baby. Yes? Not sleeping yet?